members of the Fishermen Association, Taltalangase Reverend Atu Wolono, donors, supporting agencies and partners, foreign investor representatives and government statutory bodies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Sambula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. I am told that this is the first ever initiative for such a gathering for the purpose of getting representatives of our Fishermen's Association, as well as getting all the supporting agencies to come together and hold this very important consultation, whereby all partners could share their views, ask questions, and learn from each other, including getting the best technical and financial advice and support from the right institutions. The strategic partnership between investors and marketing partners, donor agencies, and fishermen associations, with the support of the Ministry of Fisheries to act as a facilitator, is welcomed and most applauded. In our view, this is the best way forward. We could work together to raise the level of development and improve the business operational model, and thus enhancing the standard of living of the rural and maritime communities through fishing. This way we could all work together to build capacity, improving fishing infrastructure and assistance through provision of freezers, storage facilities, marketing initiatives, transportation linkages, and acquiring the right vessel size in capacity and engine power to ensure safety at sea. Yesterday, I launched the Koroilavesau Marine Reserve in Cuba. I think this is a good example for the association to see, as I believe the association should not only focus on fishing, but also use the opportunity to strengthen conservation and sustainability. I encourage the association to include women in their various associations. Women are better record keepers and bookkeepers, and they are good in handling financial transactions. This in turn brings about development to rural maritime areas and help improve fishing operations at catch levels. I have been told there are investors that are working with locals and donor agencies who would advise you on investment that is worth pursuing. Additionally, it is important to note that each fisherman and fishing association can easily arrange to be a part of a loan scheme that would allow for more lucrative fishing operations while boosting fishing income. It is my hope that you would learn a lot from today's discussions. Let me just go and have a comment on the Cuba Koroilavesau initiative. O lendolava na Koroilavesau na nonrato mai Cuba e na no. Nonrato wa tambu e rota e 8 square kilometer me tambu wa andua me hawani rusa na burabura. Kana mbale e matai ni Marine Reserve ibichi. E lewu weekenda no nonda me vanua e dakanga me MPAs kana mbale chini kile limana mbaki wakatare Itali. Se nangona nga ndona songo wa vanua wakatare mantanga wa tambu Itali. Ya na Marine Reserve me Cuba e wa tambu stranga me da rusa na burabura. E walu na square kilometer wakania na 5 wakadata na square kilometer e chigo na ngolingoli e na mbara wikimbao. E o barita chiko ni vinaka na isong ngolingoli me kuwa ni watamba kindoanga na kaya ngulibi e me na numa talanga na kaya na maroroi na ngolingoli me mbaleta na tambatamata e murimai. O kila ni sakila chiko ni isong ngolingoli na lewu ni wata tambo daka na ministry ni ngoli e na ngona o mai tau yabukina na ministry ni ngoli. Yang gua baleta nga kena lenga tak. Ni sa senga. O wa tambuya na sa sam. O wina kata mawara tani ko ni wasa data itu ngi ngo sa malum balatin do tan na kau sa wa tambuya. O wa tambuya ngo na donu wa tingin kau. Era sa wasa nga. Era wasa nga. Uira ranguli ma merbultak. Uira mena koro weekend reminian. Siya nga matatasar tunga weekend. Ni sa maruringa ya mbali chira na tama-tama termo. Na lenga chico. Uira na nonda kora nguli ma chico mer may bultak chico na market. O kila weekend na songso ni nguli. E ndondonu e matata mina tu weekend na inakini watatam. E o wasa wa mbikina. E na matani ko, mina kan songso ni nguli. Me kuri watatam ngindo nga na kaya nguli mai wai. E mondona no matalanga na kia na maroroi wakatambu e sona banua me rau ni sususu ni sasalu me angavira na tama-tama muri. Additionally, it is important to note that each fisherman association can easily arrange to be part of a scheme. It is my hope that you will learn a lot from today's discussion. I wish you well in your deliberations and look forward to seeing a new and a better model of operation in the next few months. With those words, I'm happy to officially open today's stakeholders meeting.